Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra 8 sign. This is weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So Libra, let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. What are the messages for Libra? 8 sign. Under the deck, 5 of Pentacles, 4 of Cups, 5 of Swords and 4 of Pentacles. What's going, Libra? I think maybe they neglecting you. Maybe in past they neglected you. They ignored you. They ghosted you. And you are feeling missed opportunity. You are feeling lonely, Libra. I think they backstabbed on you, cheated on you for some third party involved in this connection. 5 of Swords energy. Lot of issues going between you and your person. Arguments, fighting. I think you decided to hold back. Yes, you are holding back, Libra. I think lots of you are in separation right now. For some, you are in no contact. Even though you are in relationship, this is on and off. Recent past, Emperor, Ace of Pentacles, and Ace of Wands. I think from recent past, you are taking your control back. You are focusing on your money, on your abundance, and you are passionate about towards your work. In relationship wise, there is passion, but there is no stability. And for some, maybe you have ego problem also to fix the things between you and your person. Maybe for some, you only the person always taking care of this relationship. They are always in and out of your life. Then present 6 of Swords, 8 of Swords and Page of Pentacles. I think you are feeling stuck when you are in this relationship. You are feeling stuck, Libra. And you are fed up with this energy. So that's why you decided to move on, because 6 of Swords energy is here. So you decided to move on towards calm waters. And for some, there is communication is coming. Maybe they want to say apology to you because they did hurt you in past, because lots of neglecting and ignored energy. I think they cold shouldering you in past. That's why they have regrets. Maybe they want to say apology to you. For some, they want to test the waters before coming towards you. Future judgment, 3 of Pentacles and 9 of Wands. You are guarded up. Completely you are guarded up. You are protecting your emotions, Libra. But someone is coming back for reconciliation here. But you are going to make some major decision regarding this relationship. For some, maybe one person going through legal issues in this connection. And 3 of Pentacles, yes. I think in this relationship, there is no partnership between you and your person. But once you're gone, maybe they started realizing you both. Maybe they are thinking about to come back. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Libra, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. 10 of Pentacles, 7 of Wands, 2 of Cups and 6 of Swords. And this is mutual love. And your person want to fix the things between you and your person. And they won't give up on you. They will fight for your attention. They will fight for your love. And 10 of Pentacles. I think maybe one person is already married in this connection. They already have kids. But this person wants stability with you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions, Libra. Ace of Swords, Knight of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, King of Swords, the Devil, and Six of Wands. Yeah, for some, this person is toxic for you. This person is playing games with you. Yes, they are not expressing their feelings. King of Swords energy, but they are obsessed with you and they want success in this connection. Guys, for some, this person is really toxic for you. If you know, then move on. Ace of Swords, definitely they are rushing to communicate with you. They want to reveal the truth to you. And Knight of Swords, they are in rush to communicate with you. Maybe once you decided to leave this person, they are realizing your worth. They have regrets. That's why they want to communicate with you. Ace of Swords with Knight of Swords. So they want to say some truth to you. And Wheel of Fortune, they are waiting for divine timing also. So let's see. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. Let's see their intentions, Libra. Six of Cups. They are thinking about you a lot. Two of Cups. I think it is high level soulmate connection. Queen of Wands. Judgment and High Priestess and King of Wands. King of Wands and Queen of Wands. I think you both are very powerful couple and you both have a lot of passion towards each other. Right now, your person thinking, I think they are listening to their higher self. Trusting their intuition, and they are also going to make some major decision. I think you both are on the same page. You are also going to make some major decision regarding this relationship, Libra. I think Six of Cups, they are thinking about you a lot, and this is high level soulmate connection. For some, maybe this, even though for some this connection may be toxic for you, for some may not. It depends on your situation, on your circumstances, but they are going to be make action very soon. If you are in separation this person, yes, they did hurt you, now they're coming back, and for some, they want to take this relationship to next level. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. A lot of water energy. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. See, two cards I am not taking, but Three of Swords, one of the card. So maybe they are missing you badly. Ten of Cups. See, they want stability with you. Maybe they are realizing your worth. They want reconciliation. Yes, they won't give up on you. They want rebirth. For some, it was a separation, one type of ending between you and your person, and lot of drama is going, but they still want to be with you. They still want reconciliation, Libra. But decision is in your hands. If you let them in, definitely there will be reconciliation. For some, your person is very dominative and very aggressive. They are coming back. For some, it will take some time. There is slow moving energy. For some, a brand new person is also coming into your life. And you are taking your control back. Even though you are missing them, now you are taking your control back. The Empress energy. You are no more dependent on them, especially emotionally. So let's see mutual. Knight of Wands, Knight of Swords, and Death and Temperance. And I think you are taking your control back. Yeah, separation, but patience is the key. Maybe they're patiently waiting and you are restoring the balance within yourself, but they're rushing to communicate with you. For some, again, they're coming back with Knight of Wands energy. Again, be careful. Yes, they will come back and they will offer their love to you. But again, Knight of Wands. So be careful because Knights always come and go. There is no stability. And Knight of Swords, definitely communication you will receive from your person. And for some, it will take time because Knight of Pentacles, very slow moving energy. But they are very, very attracted to you. A lot of passion. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Libra. Reconciliation. I'm serious about you. Religious factors. I want to be honest with you. I want you back. And I will never forget you. So the messages are reconciliation, I'm serious about you, religious factors, I want to be honest with you, I want you back, I will never forget you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. The answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini, Gemini energy. So there are some answers are coming. Especially you need, it's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio, Scorpio energy. So if you're thinking about someone or something about negatively, this is the time to release all negative thoughts and negativity in you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.